Hey, nephew, I bet you don't know how to test a starter.
So let's walk colors. I call him Sparrow, that's for sure. I daily drive my car. Sparrow on the day, I'll move again.
Yo, pop up on your screen saying, yo, this 84 Cuddy and a photo. Yes, sir, aka built on a budget. Junior. That's right. Y'all know who it is. Hey, if you haven't already, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Subscribe to the channel, man, and turn on all post notification bells, man, so you never ever miss a drop. Hey, turn them on now. Turn them on. Hey, man, how y'all doing today, man? I hope everybody doing all right today. Yes, sir. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see behind me the wind blowing a little bit. We got a little breeze. We got some sunlight. Hey, man, it ain't nothing but a blessing. That's all it is. Straight up blessing. Huh? Yes, sir. Hey, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Subscribe to the channel, man, and turn on all post notification bells, man. Yes, sir, man. We about to get into this video. Stay locked. Hit that bell. Hit that like button. Let go. Hey, yes, sir. Hey, man, hey, y'all hit that like button. Man, make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Hey, hit that like button for me, man. Please. But check this out, man. Hey, y'all remember we got our start off. Took the start off. Where we took it to the parts store and got it tested, right? So we about to do another test. So being that I have the old starter, and then y'all see we got a new to me out of the junkyard starter yesterday. So what I want to do is I want to see what the old starter is doing compared to what the new starter would do. Know what I mean? Because it was kind of hard to see what it was doing, especially like in the camera, and then I was trying to look in the camera and trying, you know what I mean? I'm trying to get y'all that footage, but it was kind of hard to see exactly what it was doing. But she explained it to me about basically the shaft is already extended or something like that. All right, so she told me what it was, and shout out to her. And we appreciate that class, because man, y'all saw in my video yesterday, man, everybody was telling me that their machines was down. There's no way possible. There's no way possible. But they'll get mad if they go and try to order ice cream or milkshake from McDonald's, and then people say, nah, machine's down today, and they want to get mad and talk all kind of trash going around the drive-thru. But whatever. But yeah, man, shout out to her. She taught us how to test our starters yesterday. Not yesterday. 2 days ago? Whatever. But she showed us how to do it. You know what I mean? So now we got some knowledge of how to do it in case we go into a parts store, and all we gotta do is walk in there and say, hey, can I test my starter? I know how to test it. Can I use your machine? Just in case they don't want to do it, because that's what it be most of the time anyway. They don't be wanting to do their job. Most of them just work it. They just work it. That's all it is. But so yeah, we gonna test this starter. We gonna see what it's doing, and then we'll compare it to what the start out of the junkyard gonna do. Okay? All right. Hey, hit that like button now. Hit that like button. Yes, sir. Make me get Unc out you. Hey, y'all know Unc don't play, but let's get it. Alright, y'all. So in order to do this, you're gonna need you a set of jumper cable. You know what I mean? You're gonna need you a set of these right here. I got the other end hooked up where our station gonna be at, where we're gonna be next, where we're gonna be working next. Alright? So you're gonna need you a set of jumper cables, alright? A fresh battery, or I wouldn't say a fresh battery, a charged battery. You know what I mean? You're gonna need a charged battery and a set of jumper cables. Alright? Let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so we at our table. So y'all see I got my positive over here. I had it clamped to the board, and my ground right here, I had it clamped to the other side of the board. So right here we looking at our old starter that we had tested at the parts store, right? They confirmed that it wasn't no good. Alright, so let's see exactly what we would have seen if the camera was right. Alright, So first what you want to do is you want to ground it. Alright? You don't have to do that first, but yeah, you do. Doing it this way. Do it just like this. So you're gonna ground it. Alright? So this is a DIY test. You know what I mean? My bad for the win, y'all. Why is it every time, dog, that you either spray painting something or as soon as you hit record, the wind start blowing? Sheesh. Thank God anyway for it. Hey, if the camera moving, that's cause of the wind, alright? But y'all stay with me. Alright, so we got our starter grounded. We grounded right on the starter. Alright, so we're gonna take our positive. We're gonna take our positive and we're gonna touch it. Let me make sure y'all can see the make sure y'all can see the front right here. Alright, so we're gonna touch right here on the starter. Y'all ready? Let's see what it do. Y'all see it just spinning. One more time. Alright. Y'all see it just spinning. Look, we can't even get it to this. Alright, I'm done with it. Alright. Let's put our safety. Well, let's put our cables back. Clamp them back to the board safely. Alright. That way we know we ain't touching nothing. We ain't want to blow up like, oh. Alright. Hey. Alright. So y'all see. We tried to test the starter and all it was doing was spinning, right? So now, if any of us are used to starters, because this is not my first time testing one, we know that it's supposed to get that click, click, click. You know what I mean? That fork's supposed to come out. You know what I mean? Y'all see it ain't doing nothing but sitting there spinning, right? So cross our fingers. Hopefully our brand new starter. Yep, we got them out the junkyard, brand new to us. Yes sir. Hey, hopefully it worked for us, you know what I mean? But hey, y'all see yesterday we couldn't get that joker tested. So, hey man, we DIYers over here, man. We doggone budget builders. Yes sir. Hey, we gonna save some money doing it. So hey, let's do it ourselves. Yes sir. Let's get this one tested. Let's see what this one turn out. Hey, I hope it turned out good. Cross our fingers. Cross our fingers, yo. Hey, let's get to it. Hand. Alright, y'all. So now we got the junkyard starter and our dead starter. Alright. Comparison. They look the same. Look like it could, look like it could be the same starter to me. Yes sir. Let me see what this one say. Delco Remy. Alright. So for this test right here, man, y'all see I got my gloves on. Hey, Mr. Built. 87 man wearing his glove, Mr. Built. I got mine on. Yes sir. 87 be telling him. He gonna tell you when y'all ain't got no y'all glove. Y'all better make sure y'all wear y'all gloves. Cause if y'all don't wear y'all gloves, 87 gonna tell Mr. Built and Mr. Built gonna jump on y'all. Hey, y'all better make sure y'all wear up on y'all gloves. I got on my glove, Mr. Built. I know what 87 doing. He ain't got on his glove. Get him, Mr. Built. Yes sir. Hey. But let's try to see what this junkyard starter gonna do, y'all. Alright? Let's get it. I hope we got some luck, y'all. Alright? So we're gonna do the same. Let's move this one. Set that to the side. We're gonna do the same thing with this starter. Joker dirty, ain't it? We gotta clean this one up. Yes sir. But hopefully it worked. So we gonna ground it. Oh, y'all can't even see what I'm doing, huh? Alright.
'Cause I know we flying high.
Y'all still probably can't see.
How I feel.
Hold up.
Back will go.
You want doing the same thing, ain't it? Oh, man, right, y'all? This one doing the same thing.
Daily
This one a little strong, though. You know what I mean? Let's check something else. Cause I thought it's supposed to kick out when it turned. Let's check something else. Try the oil starter again and see if we get that strong kick. Or that strong turn, like how that one doing. We're gonna see. Yeah, see, this one ain't even rocking. This one ain't rocking. This one, hey, this one right here ain't got no cam in it. Like Tulu car be then when he do that joke be rocking. Look, this one ain't got no cam in it. This one stop. Yes sir. This one a stock alternator. I say alternator. Almost sound like this one a stock starter. This one right here. This one right here got a cam in it. Let's see. Let's see him chew him. He gonna chew him, y'all. He gonna chew him. I ain't doing nothing, y'all. He gonna chew him himself. Y'all see that joker chewing him. Chewing him. Y'all seeing him chewing him. Huh? Yes sir. Hey, you might have something good. That joker got that cam in that one there. This one right here, stop. This right here, cam 5.3. This one right here, the 4.8, stock 4.8 like mine. Yeah, it don't, well, my stock 4.8 worked. I don't know what's wrong with this one. But yeah, man, but y'all see it. We gonna try this. Well, first we gotta clean them up. You know that old one dead, we got that, you know what I mean, tested for real. You know what I mean, at the parts store. So, hey, man, we might got a good starter, y'all. Keep our fingers crossed. Keep our fingers crossed. Yes, sir. And I want to try him again, y'all. I like how that joker, they be kick back. Ready? Kick back. Hi-ya. Yes, sir. Hey. Yes, sir, bro. I'm happy now. I hope when I put them on, they be happy. I'll be happy too. Yes, sir, y'all. Hey, boy, I don't know, boy. Hey, we might be in the game. Straight up, boy. Hey, boy, we might be in the game. Yes, sir, boy. I hope so, boy. Cause that old starter ain't got the hang. That joker ain't got the hang. We ain't got that. You see that one right there? That junkyard one? Alright. That junkyard one got the stall and the cam in it. Yes, sir. Joker doing like Tulu car. Tulu car to sit right there and just be ready. Yes, sir. That what that joker they doing. Rocking. Yes, sir, Bo. Yes, sir. Hey, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Subscribe to the channel, man. Run me up, too. Hey, run us up. Hey, hit that like button. Turn on all post notification bells, man. Hey, y'all know who it is. It's your boy 84 Cuddy and a photo, a.k.a. Built on a Budget Junior. Yes, sir. Hey, man, y'all stay locked, man. Hey, to the next one, man. We out.
Pop up on your screen saying yo. Yeah, it's 84 Cuddy in a photo. Miss my father-in-law so much I had to name a car Sparrow.